skitty flies.
Yeah, especially when they're on top of your head, indeed.
All over the place.
Yeah. And whenever you... Yeah, but it's faster. Yeah, it's flat tone now. Your Niblock road liver cousin Codian that lamp it's gone flat. The town now is 1650, and this is where your 1647 known as shows from. Griffith Torshid to Ireland at the airport rush. God, that lamp does not sound good at all. It sounds very bad. But, 465 or 466 or 7 or 8 or whatever the Ireland airport rush. So that one's now gone flat now. Yeah, that has not gone worse. It was very slow and dodgy, and now it's got very fast and weird and dodgy, and now it's gone flat tone. Ridiculous. Now they're all failing around Antrim. The only one that hasn't failed yet is Antrim Station, and now the whole bunch are failing now over here in Antrim. Thank you guys to see you in the next video.